Good morning, friends. I welcome you to the class of Object Oriented Programming using C++. I am your instructor Namit Khanduja from Gurukul Kangadi Vishwavidyalaya, Hardwar. So, contents for day 8 are references. A reference is a type of C++ variable that acts as an alias to another object or value. There are two kinds of references in C++. First, reference to non-constant values and reference to constant values. Let us see each one of them. References to non-constant values. A reference to a non-constant value is declared by using an ampersand between the reference type and the variable name. Let us see an example. Here, value is a variable of type int having a value 5 and reference 1 is a reference to the variable value. In this context, the ampersand doesn't mean address of, it means reference to. References to non-constant values are often just called references for short. Just like the position of the asterisk of pointers, it doesn't matter if you place the ampersand at the type or at the variable name. Like here we have placed ampersand near the type and near the variable name. They both act same as they are pointing to the same variable value. Let me give you an overview of what is L value and R value. In C++, variables are of a type of L value. And L value is a value which has an address in memory. So all variables have addresses and hence they are L values. The name L value came about because L values are the only values that can be on the left side of an assignment statement. When we do an assignment, the left hand side of the assignment operator must be an L value. Let us see an example. Here, where is the L value? Consequently, a statement like 5 equal to 6 will cause a compile error because 5 is not an L value. The value of 5 has no memory and thus nothing can be assigned to it. 5 means 5 and its value cannot be reassigned. When an L value has a value assigned to it, the current value at the memory address is overwritten. The opposite of L values are R values, and R value is an expression that is not an L value. Example of R values are literals such as 5 and non L value expressions such as 2 plus x or 2 plus 3. Here is an example of R values. 4 is a literal, I plus 1, these are R values on right hand side. Points to remember is first, references must be initialized when declared. They have to be given a value to reference at the time of creation. They cannot hold null values like pointers. References to non-constant values can only be initialized with non-constant L values. They cannot be initialized with non-constant with constant L values or R values. Again, I am repeating it. References to non-constant values can only be initialized with non-constant L values. They cannot be initialized with constant L values or R values. Second, they cannot be reassigned to refer to an other variable. Let us see another example. Here we have two variables, value 1, value 2. Reference is a non-constant reference pointing to value 1. If we try to change it so that it may refer to value 2, it will give an error. Lastly, references can be used in function parameters and no copy of the argument is made into the parameters. This can lead to better performance if the argument is large or expensive to copy, because the reference parameter acts as an alias for the argument. A function that uses a reference parameter is able to modify the argument passed in. Let us see what are reference to constant values. It is done by declaring reference using the const keyword. Like we have declared a variable, constant variable value is equal to 5, and a constant reference ref which is pointing to that value. A reference to a constant value is often called a constant reference for short. It means we can only declare a constant reference to a constant value. Non-constant reference to a constant value will give an error. So here we have created a non-constant reference which is pointing to a constant value. It will give an error. So ref will give error over here. But constant reference can refer to a non-constant value and also to R value. But here we have created a constant reference which is pointing to the non-constant value, and even R value. Here 5 is the R value, it is the literal. When constant reference is referring to a non-constant value, any change in the value directly will have effect on the value of the constant reference. But when the value is modified using constant reference, it gives an error. Let us see example. Here we have a value 1, integer a variable value 1 equal to 5, and a constant reference which is pointing to this value 1. If we change this value 1 equal to 6 and try to print this reference, it will print the value 6. But if we try to change using reference equal to 7, it will give an error because here the reference is constant, not the value. It doesn't mean that we cannot reassign it to another variable. We can reassign this value by changing the value this reference is referring. References to R value extend the lifetime of the referenced value. Normally, R values have expression scope, meaning the values are destroyed at the end of the expression in which they are created. Like expression 2 plus 3, which evaluates to R value 5, is destroyed at the end of the statement. However, when a reference to a constant value is initialized with an R value, the lifetime of R value is extended to match the lifetime of the reference. We can also use constant references as function parameters. References used as function parameters allows us to access the argument without making a copy of it, while guaranteeing that the function will not change the value being referenced. A constant reference parameter allows you to pass in a non-constant L-value argument, a constant L-value argument, or a literal or the result of an expression. That's all on references. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.